Another set of diagram in a structural view in UML categories are component and deployment diagram, which shows a structural view of the system. UML diagram classifications we have as static, dynamic, and implementation diagram. Component deployment diagram comes under implementation set, which requires implementing a system and elements for the same. Component diagram models a physical implementation of the software, like we have file resources. The high-level software components and their interfaces are shown in component diagram. These dependencies between the sources are given. The components which are used in component diagram could be components required to run the system, like library file or source code file, data file, or executable file.exe. This is a notation for component diagram or rectangle with two rectangles interacting with it. And these are the types of components that can be used. Executable file as .exe, library so resources as .dll, text file, source code file, database file or table file, and document file or web page file. Elements of components, for example, it is shown over here. A component is shown wherein it is a library component, so it is shown with a .dll. Another diagram which is shown down is shows the dependency between the component with a dash line. That is, this component exe file depends on mdb, that is database, and .dll library component of this system. Elements in has interfaces may also be shown with a rectangle symbol known as interface preceding the name. Services that component expects from its environment is modeled using a socket, and multiple components that require or provide a particular interface. So if you see, these are the interfaces points, or they are called as ports, which can be used as required ports or provided ports. A half circle tells that it is a required port, that is, it requires some kind of input or dependent on other kind of components. And a circle port, it is called as a provided port, which provides some information to the dependent port. This is an example for component diagram. There's a component connected to each other. This is a providing port which is given by the library.dll to executable file. It is dependent on many kind of databases and library files. Another set of deployment diagram which goes the physical components that are used in the system, physical resources of the system or the hardware that you use in the system. So that are called as nodes, and nodes can be PCs, storage devices, servers, printers, which are physical components of your system that you use. Elements of deployment diagram are shown in a stereotype. It can be processor or device. A processor, a computer can be called as a processor, and a printer can be called as a device. Another element of deployment diagram is the connection between the processor. A processor or node in deployment diagram can also have a subcomponents in it, like client computer may have DLL file and executable files. So that can be components and nodes shown together. This is an example of deployment diagram. There is a server, which is a processor. Switch is a device. There are printers, which are devices. Processors, client 1, client 2 computers, which has some files. Server has database files, so it has a component inside it. And barcode scanner are the devices that are connected through a solid line, which are communication line between deployment diagram. It simply depicts the physical resources that you use for your system to run. That is about deployment diagram. That's it.